Now let's take a look at registering our brand new SQL Server VM with Nutanix Database Services in preparation for a whole host of capabilities. But in this series, we'll focus on the cloning operation. Now, as I said, this is going to be our source of truth. If I go back to Prism, you'll also notice that in my list of virtual machines, I have Nutanix Database Services running on this IP address. So let's navigate over there. Log in. Okay, and I am going to register my new database server. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, I'll register a new database. Sources, go to register. You can see all the different engines that are supported by the solution. We've established that we're going to be working with SQL Server. Go ahead and register database. And I want to register a database server VM that is not currently registered. Go to my pick list. My source is the first in the list. Give it login credentials. What did we call it? dbvid01. Okay, let that go out and discover the database instances on that VM. And Nutanix is the one. Go next. We'll discover the databases served by that instance, and our database video demo is there. And I'm going to create a one-to-one relationship with regard to the time machine, or the automated backup facility brought to bear by Era. So we'll have one time machine for video demo. The name of the database in Era we will also call video demo. We'll go next. We'll go with the default SLA. Era will be the only solution managing backups, so we don't have to worry about another application truncating logs. And I want to create the maximum 6 snapshots per day. You'll also notice that everything that I do here within Era or Nutanix Database Services, there is an API equivalent. So I can plug this into literally anything supportive of API to introduce a level of automation into what I'm doing here. You got code snippets for all sorts of languages. Go ahead and register this database. And we can assess the progress of this action here on the Operations tab. All right, 5 minutes. Takes 5 minutes, 7 seconds to register that database.